everyone. So, how's things going? I missed you guys. I've been so busy. I did not forget about you. I was just so busy in the gardens. Shemitah's coming, and I feel it over here. It's like Friday and Shabbos is coming, so it's like Erev Shemitah, and Shemitah's coming. So we've been so busy I didn't have time to edit. But now I'm editing. Now I'm sitting down to edit. I just wanted to let you know how it's going to be in the next few vlogs until we're all caught up. I'm going to be showing you things that were happening because I took my camera with, and I've been showing you guys things. I just didn't have time to edit. So we're going to be showing you things that we've been doing. It's around, I don't know, going back 2 months, but everything's good. Everything's exciting, and slowly we'll work our way up to where we're holding now. So if you see, it's funny for me to see even 2 months back the difference in the grass growth and the trees growth. So it's going to be a bit of an interesting journey to get you up till the point where we are today, but enjoy it. Today we're going to watch the tree trimmers. Enjoy, and I'm glad to be back, and I hope that we're going to have time to edit at a consistently this time. Enjoy. All right, let's go see. Next tree to get a haircut. All right, so this guy was done. Now it's his turn for a haircut. Watch out for the before and after. And his turn for a haircut. He's really overdue. He's gonna get a haircut. So we'll watch it in action. These guys are pros. To tie himself? I wonder if he's tying himself. He's not even tying himself. He's tying a rope. Oh yeah, he is. He's tying himself to the tree. Okay, he's tying himself to the tree with another rope. You have to really understand your knot work and your rope work here. Oh, safety glasses. This is hysterical. All that dust. Moving ahead. I took a break. I didn't see some of the branches going down. Oh my goodness. If we look up at that guy, he's definitely not scared of heights. These are special tree trimmers for dead branches. Look at that, all the way up there there's a pink material stuck to the tree. You can't reach it. It's a bit lower than that, but see that pink material? There's a raven who's watching him like, who's in my tree? Toda! Alright, whenever you go up, you gotta know how to come down the tree. Last branch, and boom. Can you see all his ropes? I want to show you if you can see all his ropes. See his ropes? He has one attached up there, and one attached to the bottom, and two attached to the tree. He's all roped in. That's it. Alright, he's down. Look, it goes on the shoe and it has spikes. See the spikes?
This is the wood. Spikes.
Yeah, spikes on the side, and it catches on to the inside on the tree. Wow. Wow, that's cool.
Hallelujah.
Wow, it's a pleasure bringing coffee to the Jewish workers.
תודה רבה לך.
מה זה?
פשוט תודה רבה.
קפה שחור.
רגע, אנחנו נוריד.
שייקה בוא.
ממש תודה. זה בלי סוכר?
בלי סוכר.
יופי, תודה רבה. ממש תזכי למצוות. זה מרווה.
ברוך השם, כשיש עובדים יהודים זה תענוג. תענוג, אשריכם. Final view of all the trees with their haircuts. It just cleans things up. It's safer. All the dead branches and the crossover branches are gone. So these trees is safer to keep them that way. So, and it also opens things up really pretty. You can see the stunning bark and twists on all these trees. Just like that, our second apple grove. This is the first tree that we planted already a while ago. And now we just planted this guy here. Top red apple and a pink lady apple in the middle. As I was planting the apples on the apple tree, I saw this little shoot and it is own root. So I figured I'll take it off and I'll plant it. So I'm gonna do that now. All right, it's slowly emptying out here. We're starting to plant all the stuff that are here. I just wanted to show you my walnut and the tree coming out of it. Look at this. Unbelievable. I'm just gonna grab this beautiful, beautiful little offshoot of the tree, and I'm gonna have an apple tree. So I'm gonna stick it in here and plant it just the way it is and enjoy. Wish you luck. Spending some time with my Brahma chickens. Now look how big they got since the last time you saw them. And take a look at their feet. These guys have feathered feet. That's the known sign of Brahma chickens. They're very cute and very friendly. Supposed to be if you spend time with them. My, I changed the setup here a little bit. I put these drawers for egg laying because we had a problem with mites and lice. Ah, I just cracked an egg. Gentle. It's okay. The cracked eggs also go to use right back to the chickens. I can never figure this out. I have one guy who lays these mini eggs. There's no yolks in these. I wonder why and when that happens. Okay, now I have down here, I see 3 eggs. See them? There. Sometimes I have in here. No, not today. Here's another egg just laying here, right for picking. Okay, this lady, I have a feeling she's sitting on a nest. Look what I found, a huge nest over here. I don't know if she's actually hatching them or she's just sitting on them, but there's a lot there. She just ran when I came. And then here's another one. It looks like she's also, looks like she's broody, sitting on a whole bunch. See that? See the way she's spread out? So that makes me think that we're gonna be having more chicks. Oh boy. Okay, let's do a sneak peek of our tomatoes that we planted. Booming all over. We already got some. Our corn. Like, look how tall. We don't have much, but we have a fair amount. Our herb garden is out of control. And we got this season peppers. And I had chickens in my carrot garden, if you can tell from the mess. I'm just gonna pull the rest of them out. Look at this huge one. Wow, so beautiful. Oh, split. Anyway, yeah, I think I'm just gonna pull them and we can replant the bed with anything else.